In this video, we'll be creating a social picture and video sharing app. To start, we'll click Create a new application, name the app InstantShare, choose a mobile theme, and click Create Application. We'll then add a new form and title it Follow. Inside the form, let's start by adding a text field titled Follow or Email with edit set to false and the following default value. Then, we'll add another text field, this one titled Following Email with edit set to false. Let's then add a button titled Follow with an on-click Save Record event. We'll then close out and add a new form titled Profile. In this form, we'll first add a document management section titled Photo. Then we'll add a text field titled Nickname inside the Profile section. After, we'll add a few more text fields titled Email, Following, and Followers. Let's then click on the nickname field, make it required, and add the following edit formula. We'll then copy that formula, click on the email field, make it required, and paste the formula for editability. Then let's add the following default value and make sure visibility is set to false. Next, we'll add a button titled Create Profile with an on-click Save Record event. We'll then add a text field titled Profile Created with visibility set to false. After, let's click on the Create Profile button and add the following event. On-click, Set Value, Profile Created field, and Yes in single quotations. We'll then click on the Profile column and change the width to 33%. Let's now close out and add a new form titled Photo. In this form, we'll start by deleting the existing standard section and add a document management section titled Photos. Then we'll add a button titled Share with an on-click Save Record event. Let's then add a text field titled Caption. And after, a standard section titled Hidden Section with visibility set to false. In the Hidden section, we'll add a text field titled Email with the following default value that'll input the logged on user's email automatically. Next, we'll add a date field with the following calculated method that'll input the date automatically. Then, let's drag a data grid subform section in between the two existing sections. We'll title it posted by -profile with the form as profile, as well as email and nickname checked, and put the equals email filter on the email field. Now we'll close out and start making our views. The first view will be titled Explore, with photo as the form, default view checked, photos checked, and everything checked for caption. The next view will be titled My Photos, with photo as the form and the following checked. We'll save, then click back, predefine filters, and choose email equals logon user email. Let's then save that and add our last view titled Profile, with profile as the form and the following checked. We'll then click Save, Back, and Mobile View Designer. In here we can drag and drop our fields until we get the desired look for our view. Once finished, we'll save the layout and go back to our photo form, where we'll add a button event to the Share button. This event will automatically take users to the My Photos view when the button is clicked. Let's now close out and go to the Follow form, where we'll add a text field titled Following Nickname. We'll then add a standard section titled Hidden Section with visibility set to false. After, let's drag the follower email and following email fields to the hidden section. Let's then add a combo box and title it Follower Nickname colon. We'll choose profile as form, click email, add the following filter, make it number 1, the search field, and then click nickname and make it number 2. We'll then click save, and once it's saved we'll get the default value, which we'll enter and then save again. Next, let's add a text field below the combo box titled Follower Nickname. We'll then add a data grid subform section titled Hidden Section 2 with visibility set to false, criteria based checked, profile as the form, and email checked with the following filter. After, let's add a number field titled Number with the following calculated formula. Now let's click the Follow button and add the following button event. On click, set value, follower nickname colon as the field, and follower email as the value. We'll then save, go back to edit, and add the following visibility formula. Next, let's add a text field titled Hint with the following calculated formula and visibility control. After, let's click the follower nickname text field and add the following calculated formula. Then, let's go to the profile form and add another column, this one titled Following, with a 33% column width. In this column, we'll add a data grid subform section titled Following with criteria based and allow new records checked, as well as an editability formula. We'll then add an equals email filter to the follower email and check nickname with number 1 as the display order. Our last column will be titled Followers with the width set to 33%. We'll then add a data grid subform section titled Followers with criteria based and allow new records checked, as well as an editability formula. To finish this section, let's check follower nickname, make it number 1, and add an equals email filter to the following email field. Let's now click on Following and add a calculated formula to the field. We'll then add a calculated formula to the followers field as well. After, let's click Show Advanced Options at the top, then Unique Key, choose Email, click OK, and then Save. Finally, we'll go back to the Follow form and add default values to the following nickname and following email fields. We've created a full-fledged social network app using WebAppGenerator. This is just a brief demonstration of the power of WebAppGenerator and how it can save you great amounts of time and money when creating mobile and desktop apps. Visit WebAppGenerator.com today to start creating your apps.